few things are more masculine and stylish than a good pair of boots. But are you accidentally killing your boots? A good pair isn't cheap, so you want them to last. Thomas with Real Men Real Style here, and in today's video, I'm going to cover all the mistakes you're making that destroy your expensive boots. The first mistake? Not using cedar shoe trees. Your boots continuously bend over and over when you walk, which causes the leather to crease over time. So after just a few months of use, your expensive boots can start to look a bit haggard. The solution to this is easy. Putting in a pair of cedar shoe trees into your boots after every wear will do a great job of minimizing creases and will restore the original shape of the boot. They are also great for absorbing sweat, moisture, and odor. And if you want to take it to the next level, upgrade to a pair of boot trees, which will better support the shaft of the boot. The next mistake? Wearing your boots every day. You sweat in your boots throughout the day, and when you wear them on back-to-back days, the leather doesn't have time to fully dry. Damp leather is more susceptible to becoming stretched out and creased. You want to give it at least a day to dry out between wears, so make sure you have another pair of boots or other shoes to choose from, and alternate which set you wear. The next mistake, not brushing. After each time you wear your boots, you should take a soft horsehair brush and sweep away any dirt, dust, or salt picked up while out and about. This only takes a moment, but it keeps your boots free from dirt and other abrasives that can damage the leather over time, and it lets you go longer before needing to deep clean them. The next mistake? Not cleaning. Regular brushing will keep your boots in great shape most of the time, but if you ever step in a mud puddle or get a lot of salt or grime built up on your boots, then they're going to need a deeper cleaning. Use a horsehair applicator brush and some saddle soap to clean off the dirt and grime from your boots. Once you're done, wipe away any excess soap and let them sit for at least an hour. You don't need to do this very often, just whenever they get dirty enough that your regular brush can't handle it. Up next, not conditioning. Even a high quality leather won't last forever if you don't take care of it. Your leather boots will dry out and develop cracks over time. This is especially something to watch out for if you live in a dry environment. The easy remedy for this is to use a leather conditioner made for your boots to restore any lost moisture. Use a soft cloth to apply the conditioner all over the surface of the boot. Make sure to get in all the cracks and crevices. Wipe away any excess conditioner and let them sit for an hour. You need to condition the leather every time you clean the boots to replace that moisture that's been washed away. Now, if you don't clean the boots very often, you still want to condition the leather at least 2 to 3 times per year. Up next, not polishing. Unless you have a fancy pair of dress boots, most likely you aren't looking to create a mere shine. But over time, your boots are going to get discolored from scuffs and scratches. But you can easily get the boots back to a uniform color by using a cream polish. Just be sure to select a polish that matches the color of your leather. A cream polish won't give a high level of shine like a wax polish will, but they will restore color to any spots where the finish has been scratched, and it'll also provide some extra moisture to the leather. Use a small applicator brush to apply the cream polish all over. Let each boot dry for 5 minutes, then buff them with a horsehair brush.
Alright gents, whether you're using an electric, safety, or cartridge razor, consider using an aftershave balm. Applying this after you shave helps to cool the skin and prevent redness. Now gents, the grooming products you see in today's video brought to you by Vitaman. And instead of me telling you how awesome they are, how about I put a link down in the description of today's video so you can try them for free. Seriously gents, use that link in the description to grab a sample kit over at Vitaman for free.
The next mistake is drying incorrectly. So you wore your boots out in the snow or rain and now they're a bit soaked. Not a big deal, but if you dry them incorrectly, you're going to cause all kinds of damage to the leather. You may be tempted to plop them in front of a fire or use a hairdryer to speed the drying process, but the heat is going to over dry the leather, making it brittle and at risk of cracking. The correct method is to blot the excess moisture with a towel. Then let the boots air dry at room temperature. Next up, not having the right suede tools. To clean suede, you can't just go to town with the saddle soap. You need to use the right cleaning tools, which will include a suede brush and a suede eraser. The suede brush will help lift up the nap of the suede and knock away any loose dirt, while the eraser can be used to rub away marks and stains. The next mistake is not weatherproofing your suede. Suede boots look amazing, but are more prone to being stained and damaged by water compared to your full grain leather. If you intend to wear your suede boots in the snow or rain, you need to protect them from the moisture. You can easily do this by getting a silicone-based suede protector spray. The spray is going to help seal the boots so they repel water. Apply a light, even coat to your boots, let them sit for a couple hours to dry, then give them one final coat. So now you know what to do to keep your boots looking awesome. But what about your favorite jeans? Check out this video guys, where I'm going to show you all the mistakes you make that destroy your denim.